guys, this is it. Time to do something about these nasty broken headlights. What's up, guys? So we are going to be, I got some replacements for these headlight housings for the Buick. As you know, these are really kind of nasty and faded, and when we were doing the headlight review and we pulled this one apart, the inside of the wiring was coming apart. The insulation just came off the entire wiring harness. It was horrible. So I think I have a solution. I ordered these from Amazon. The company is Akkon. These are replacement headlight housings for the Buick Regal. They are supposed to be factory fit. Here is the first one. We'll unbox and let's see what they look like. And there they are. What I like about these is they have a black housing on the inside instead of having the chrome housing that is standard for these. I've got to pull the plastic off of them still, but they look really good. And they come with some of the lighting already in there. I can tell. It does need headlight bulbs, but that's it. So let me get some of this stuff swapped out. We'll throw them on the car. I've shown you guys how to do that. It's just those two little plastic clips. And we'll see if this doesn't make this Buick look a little better. And there you have it. I did go ahead and put the new bulbs in. I used LEDs for the high beams, and to avoid having to cut the housings for the low beams, I just used Sylvania Silver Stars. But I think they look really good. And definitely make the front of the car look a lot better. So overall, I think this is a good product. They fit just exactly like stock. They came with all the bulbs but the headlights, so you do have to put headlight bulbs in there. But other than that, they were good. The black housings give it a little different effect. These are available in the chrome housing as well. I linked these in my Amazon store, so if you guys want to check them out, go down into the description and find that link, and you can find them in my Amazon store. I'm out of here for now. Make sure you drop this video a like, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.